relationship between pi and relative lowering vapor pressure, relationship between pi and delta TB, relationship between pi and delta TF. In this video, we are going to discuss about how we are getting these formulas and their derivations. We are going to discuss very clearly here. See here, we know that one pi equal to CRT. So R equal to, you know that one always universal gas constant. That R value you have to take only 0.0821 liter atmosphere Kelvin inverse mole inverse, or we may can take 0.082 or 83 bar liter bar Kelvin inverse mole inverse. So you have to take only these the R values that should be in liter atmosphere, or maybe ml also you can take. This is the possibility. Now we are going to discuss here pi equal to, I can write here, C means concentration. You can write number of moles per V liters into RT. Then N equal to, I can write here pi into V by RT. Nothing but WB by MB. Weight of solute by molecular weight of solute equal to pi into V by RT. So by using this relation, I am going to be substitute all formulas in place of N equal to pi V by RT. I am going to substitute. For example, first case, relation between pi and relative lowering vapor pressure, that is delta P by P naught. So we know that when delta P by P naught formula, P naught minus PS by P naught equal to WB by MB into WA by, this is MA. This is for dilute solutions. So we know very well this dilute solution. In place of WB by MB, I am going to substitute pi V by RT. This I am going to substitute. So P naught minus PS by P naught equal to pi V by RT into MA by WA. We can substitute. So similarly, second one, relationship between delta TB equal to KB into M, molarity. So you can write here in place of molarity KB into WB by MB into 1000 by WA. So in place of this, you can write again pi V by RT. So delta TB equal to KB into pi V by RT into 1000 by WA. You can write next delta TF also similarly. Relation between delta TF and pi. So you can write very simple here, delta TF equal to KF into M, delta TF equal to KF into M equal to W by MB in 2000 by WA. So you can write in place of W by MB, then delta TF equal to KF into pi V by RT into 1000 by WA. These are the relations in between delta TF and pi, delta TB and pi and relative lowering vapor pressures. These are for ideal cases. If you want, you may can mention one-half factor for every formula. Before that one, you may can write one-half factors like this is. So like this, you may can keep one-half factor also for all formulas. You can write. Clear? If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Thank you very much.